Hi, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to activate the left-right spin gimmick, well, directional spin gimmick, on Legend SPRYZEN. Okay? Because what they're telling you here on the bots, it can spin left, it can spin right. So there's that. And then they kind of show you what it does when it spins left and right. But nowhere on the bots do they tell you how to actually activate it to get the spin gimmick to, work. Okay? And then the little instruction sheet, it doesn't help you because it pretty much talks about, other bays from the guide lineup that has, the PC, the plastic frame on the forged disc. So, yeah, and then this one, being from the guide lineup, for some strange reason, doesn't have the PC, the plastic frame on it. So, yeah, the instructions doesn't help you on it. So, how do you get it to go from right spin to left spin? Because when it comes out of the box here, it's in right spin, You put it on there, you lock it down, and, it spins right. So how do we get it to spin to the left direction? Well, it's kind of like Ultra Cronus or COD Night in America, which is, the Hasbro one right here, COD Night. With COD Night, it's a little bit easier, you just open it up, grab your little dual god energy layer. You can actually see right there, there's this little, place to rest your thumb, and then you can twist it until it locks in place, and then that turns to a little red dot. Grab it, twist it again until it locks in place, and it turns to the blue dot. COD Night, or Ultra Cronus, it's a bit easier to figure out. But on this one, Legend SPRYZEN, it's harder. So how do we actually do it? Same thing like with Ultra Cronus. Remove the dual energy god layer. Okay. So this is the part that you want. Turn to the back here, and unlike Ultra Cronus, it's very freaking hard to see on the back here. Honestly, this one you can see. Its gimmick is, well, obviously this black wing that you could move like this, This one's easier to figure out. This one, oh boy, is it hard. So I don't know if you can see this on camera here, but up here there's an R, and down here there's an R, and then over here there's an L, and here's an L. So that's telling you that it's a left-right spin gimmick. So you think, okay, this one, I take my fingers, I twist it, with my thumb actually, and I twist it to activate its little gimmick, right? So okay. So you go for right here, which would be teeth on the Takari Tomy one. So you're like, it doesn't turn, but you can feel there's a little bit of a wiggle in there. How do we actually get it to work? Well, my friends, this is how Hasbro came up with their idea and stuff. You need to use a god launcher, or the launcher starter pack launcher 2. So this launcher is starter pack 1, this first starter launcher. Toss that aside, ain't gonna do anything. This launcher here, the super grip launcher, not gonna do anything. You need this launcher, but actually you don't need this launcher, but you need the whipcord that comes with this launcher, okay? Because remember, if you watched the video when I did on, I'm trying to think what was the name of the debate. Killer Death Scythe, which is, they don't call it Killer Death Scythe, they call it like something else. I forgot what the American name was, but you know what I'm talking about. That bay, the Killer Death Scythe one, I was telling you, yeah, the whipcord's kind of like this little piece on here that's kind of odd, right there. I wonder what that's for. And remember, initially I thought it was for removing the PC, the plastic frame from the forged disc. Well, it's not. for Legend SPRYZEN. I think it might be for, no, I could be mistaken, but I think it's only meant for Legend SPRYZEN. So what you do is you take the whipcord that's in, the God Launcher starter, so the Starter Pack 2 God Launcher series. When you take the whipcord, take that little piece, you put it in there, and then you hear that little snap, and then you hear that click. Now it's up for left spin. So now we can finally spin it to the left direction. Don't know why they went with that stupid design that you actually have to have the whipcord from Starter Pack Launcher to the God Launcher Starter Pack to use the gimmick. Now, let me move these parts aside and stuff. So I'm not going to set it up for white spin because, you already seen that. Now when you get the oh my god. The dual energy God layer on here, you can't put it on the right away. Now you gotta put it on and turn it the opposite direction, because now it's a left spin bay. So we're going to use the launcher that it came with. Turn it to the left spin side. Okay. Even the teeth don't want to clip in on left spin bay. Okay. There we go. 3, 2, 1, light whip! Right into the bay pocket for stadium out, or sweeper in this case. A lot harder to get the left spin bays to lock in than the right spin bays. 3, 2, 1, light whip! As you can tell, it does have more of a tap type aggressiveness to it. And then it kind of slows down back to, what it was when it was in white spin mode. But that's not all. We can also take the Super Grip Launcher, turn it the other way, put it in there. 3, 2, 1, let it whip! And that was horrible because it got caught up on here. Three, two, one, let it whip! Come on! Let it whip already! Three, two, one, let it... Hold on, that part's not in there. There we go. 3, 2, 1, let it whip! So yeah, you can use the Super Grip Launcher, but I wouldn't recommend it in left spin on Super Grip Launcher, because for some reason the whipcord, like right about in here, like if you can see the length of it, like right about here in length, it gets caught up. Like the little teeth get caught in a little gear in there, and then like stops, and then you gotta jerk it, and then that's what makes it go garbage at launch. So yeah, you can use the Super Grip Launcher, but you might as well just use the Launcher 2, the God Launcher, from the Starter Pack to get it to work. Now, I mean, I know a lot of people's probably going to blame me and be like, oh dude, you don't know how to use the God Gimmick. Why didn't you know how to use the God Gimmick here? Not really my fault. I mean, if Hasbro gave Quiver better directions, which, like a lot of us are saying with Hasbro's Transformers, they need better instructions, then yeah, it would have made more sense. Because, I mean, all the instructions on the back say is, it spins right, it spins left. This is how it works in right. This is how it spins in left spin. That's all they say. And then the little instructions that came with it, that little piece of paper. You know, this. All this one says is, you know, how to really remove the plastic frame from the forged disc. And the whipcord could go in this one in the left or right spin. And then, you know, stick BEYBLADE straight up in there. Give BEYBLADE a twist. Pull whipcord. And watch top spin. That's all it says. It doesn't actually tell you, hey, you gotta take the top layer off. Okay. Then you're gonna need to grab your whipcord, jab it in there, give it a twist until you hear like a double snap that's clicked into place. And then, only then, is it going to be swapped to left or right spin mode. So yeah, nowhere in the freaking instructions do they tell you, hey, you need to actually use the whipcord to activate its God gimmick. That, hey, the God gimmick you can't activate without the whipcord. Like, I mean, in Ultra Coronas, we could activate the God gimmick just by, you know, taking off the thing. We don't need no stinking whipcord. We could tear a thumb, go, woo, let that gimmick. Or a finger, and then be like, red, blue. I know it's not clear. There we go. See, blue, red.